Right, so we've done the base, we're now going to build the walls. So we're going to start with the back wall. We've measured the distance on the back there, and I've added 20mm just to let it hang over a little bit. So what you want to do is get your top plate and your bottom plate together like that. Hold your tape on there. They're going at 400 centres, these timbers. So we'll do that all the way along, so they're the same. And then we've set the saw, the guide up on the saw so it's to the right length. John's just going to cut the uprights now. He'll throw them across and I'll use the nail gun and we'll nail them all together. We use nails because of the speed and because of the strength as well. The nail, if it's under pressure, will bend, whereas the screw will snap. So nails are the way forward and the way to go, the way they always used to be. So if you keep watching, I will show you how we plumb and rack the walls once we've built them. And we'll also be putting the steel in as well to span the bifold doors. Right, so we've built all the walls. These front ones here are going to carry the steel, so I've doubled that up. They're also shorter. The steel will sit on there to about that height, and that'll give us this pitch on his roof. What we're going to do now is rack and brace the walls. So basically what we're going to do, John's going to stand at that end with the spirit level. This timber's fixed at floor there, and he's going to rack the wall like that until it's plumb, and when it's plumb I'll then screw them in through there, and that'll hold that plumb. And then what we'll do, so it'll be plumb that way, and then what we'll do, we'll put these timbers like that on the floor, and again we'll pull the wall to plumb it that way. And that's what we're going to do with all 4 walls. We'll fix them all together, then we're going to try and drop this steel on. Thank you. Right. Okay, so all the walls are built. We've put these 2 side cheeks in here for the front. We've doubled up them timbers because we've put this 160mm steel universal beam in there. We've tack screwed that timber to the back of it there, and we've wrapped and braced it so it's all rigid and solid. It ain't going nowhere. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cut this 11mm OSB sterling board to fit. And then John's going to nail it on, and that'll give it a bit more rigidity. And then when we've done that, we'll then take out our horizontal braces, and we'll put raw noggins all the way around as well, because that'll look really good. Thank you. So what I've done here, I've pre-marked the boards at 4 and 800, so when John's nailing the boards, he will be able to locate where the timbers are without having to actually see them. We've finished all the walls, they've all been OSB'd, we've put all those raw noggins in as well. They're all tied together and they're still plumb and racked. What we're doing now, we've jumped on the roof, we're using this 5x2 timber. Because we've got the steel across the front there, we've attached the timber to the front of that, and we've dropped these joist hangers on upside down, which will keep them secure to the roof. At the back we'll just nail as normal. So that'll give us this pitch there. It don't need much of a pitch, it's only a little roof. We put a string line on the front so that all the timbers are in line on the front. So tomorrow, I'm going to drop the rest of the roof timbers in, we'll put some noggins in, front trimmer, back trimmer, 2 end trimmers, and we're going to board it and get the rubber sat in place as well. So that's we're 3 days in now, we're making quite a lot of progress on this. Structure's up, roof will be on tomorrow, and it'll be sort of weather tight-ish, which will allow us to jump inside and insulate if needs be. Thank you.